Grade 5, Module 4, Lesson 15 homework. Problem number 1. Solve. Draw a model to explain your thinking, then write a multiplication sentence. Letter A says 2/3 of 3/4. So since we want to draw 2/3 of 3/4, we need to start by drawing first 3/4. So I'm going to make a tape diagram. And I'm going to break this into 4 sections. 1, 2, 3. So this whole thing is one whole. And 3/4 is represented right here. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3/4. And now we want to take 2/3 of that. So now I'm going to break it into thirds going the other way. 1, 2, and the last one makes 3. And I want to shade in what 2/3 of that looks like. 1/3 and 2/3 is going to be right here. And it's asking for a multiplication sentence. Let's first see what our answer ends up giving us. We end up with 6 out of 12 pieces, which is 1/2 altogether. So I'm going to go back over here and write the multiplication sentence. 2/3 times 3/4 is going to equal 6/12, which equals 1/2. I'm noticing 2/3 times 3/4. With the model, you can just multiply 2 times 3 to get to your 6, and 3 times 4 to get to your 12, and then reduce your fraction by whatever common number divides into both the numerator and the denominator. So let's look at number 2. It says multiply, draw a model if it helps you. If it helps you to draw a model, please feel free to do that. I'm going to try to do this one without a model. It says 5/6 times 3/10. Well, I just noticed that that's 5 times 3 divided by 6 times 10. So I'm going to work this out and see how it goes. At this point, we also can look to see if there's any common numbers that will go into a numerator or denominator once it's put together. 5 will go into 5 once, and 5 will go into 10 twice. 3 will go into 3 once, and 3 will go into 6 twice. And now we can multiply. Let's actually clean this up. It says 1 times 1 on top, and 2 times 2 on bottom, which equals 1/4. So 5/6 times 3/10 equals 1/4. I'm going to do letter C as well. 5/6 times 5/8, that's going to be 5 times 5 over 6 times 8. Is there a common number that will go into the numerator and the denominator? Not on this problem. I have a 5 and a 6 and a 5 and an 8. So let's just multiply. 5 times 5 makes 25, and 6 times 8 is 48. So 5/6 times 5/8 equals 25/48. And I'm also going to look at letter C because this one does work out. 8/9 times 3/2. This is going to be 8 times 3 over 9 times 2. And I'm noticing that there's some commonality between the numerator and denominator. 2 will divide into 2 and 8 once and 4 times. 3 will divide into 3 and 9 once and 3 times. I like to rewrite my problem to make it clean. 4 times 1 over 3 times 1. This is going to equal 4/3. So 8/9 times 3/2 equals 4/3.